bike CDI which RX135. It is a switch one which is 2004, and this is a faulty CDI which makes the bike vehicle to stop while running. So I'm going to replace this. What we have to do is we have to remove the petrol tank, then the seat which has four nets inside this, and there is a main net over here which is mounted by petrol tank, which has to be removed. This comes with 10 net, and this comes with 13 net. And this new CDI has almost 4 cables in this, which will be like one maroon and one black, white, and an connector which comes from the battery main power is coming over here, which can be replaced. It's just plug and play. This is a white connector, and this is a plug and play. You have to just plug out and plug in, and there is a black slight reddish cable which has to be connected with the same red and white cable, red and black. Okay, and there is a white and green cable which has to get connected to same yellow. It is not yellow actually, as it is getting older the cable has turned to yellow. It is a dirty yellow. It is the same combination of white and green which has to get connected, and there is a earth cable which has to get connected, that is white and black combination has to be connected with white and black. It's a simple, so we can do a plug and play easily over here, and it is been replaced. CDI plays a vital role. It decides whether how much RPM has to be done. There is a aftermarket CDI which comes, which can be slightly modified, or plug and play is also coming, which can be fitted here. The power is decided by CDI, then reed valve, then automatically the box, and of course the plug. Okay, plug part, where you it is highly recommended to go with Japan make. Okay, that will help a lot. Thanks. This faulty CDI has been replaced with a new one, and it is connected right now. Let's give a try of starting it. It's on neutral right now. So CDI works very perfectly. Correct, and this I have tested using multimeter, where it shows around 569, 66, sometimes goes till 600, whereas I have to check what is the faulty CDI which is being replaced. I will show you later once I'm back at home. I have placed my multimeter at home, so this gives around 566, 70. Okay, on idle condition. Thanks.